So even for my first job and even for the second job also, they have supported me entirely to the process. We can get to know about all the practical knowledge here instead of where college will not teach about this. We can get the practical knowledge. We can visit the sites here. We can learn more things when compared to colleges. It is exactly totally different from the college. What college doesn't teach us that will be taught in the CMT.
Hi, Praveen.
Hi, ma'am.
How are you?
I'm fine, ma'am. How are you, ma'am?
I'm good, Praveen. So this is Aruna from CMTI. So I just want to take a feedback interview from your side, Praveen. So before starting that, congratulations for your placements.
Thank you.
So can you introduce about yourself, your earlier studies, hometown, and presently what you're doing?
Myself, Praveen Kumar. I completed my BE Civil Engineering, Vivekananda Institute of Technology. After that, I have joined to the CMTI Institute for the CACM course. To that, I got placement for the site executive role now. Presently, I'm in Bangalore.
Okay, fine. So how did you get to know about Prayojana?
Through Google only.
Actually, this opportunity is your secondary opportunity, right?
Yes.
The first thing you had been like had a training in CMTI and you had been got placed, and this is your second opportunity.
Yes.
Fine. So how was that coordination, Praveen? Can you tell me about that?
Yeah, it was good. Actually, they coordinated with the whole the thing, even with the course and the training. We got the training through the industrial experts and got to know about all the, say, even in the construction field and even in the interior design fields.
Okay, so அந்த ட்ரைனிங் நீங்க எடுத்ததுனால உங்களோட செகண்டரி ஜாப் வாஸ் வெரி ஈஸி.
Yeah, yes.
ஓகே ஃபைன். ஸோ எங்க ஹெச்ஆர் சப்போர்ட் எல்லாம் எப்படி இருந்துச்சு பிரவீன்? லைக் இன்டர்வியூ இருக்கும் போது அண்ட் தேர் காலிங் யூ அண்ட் தேர் அப்டேட்டிங் யூ தி இன்டர்வியூஸ் அண்ட் ஆல். ஸோ ஈச் அண்ட் எவ்ரி டே ஹெச்ஆர் வாஸ் கனெக்டட் வித் யூ, ரைட்?
Yeah, yes.
ஸோ
See,
அவங்களோட கோஆர்டினேஷன் எல்லாம் சொல்ல முடியுமா?
yeah, sure. They coordinated with me every day from the starting to the till the placement of the jobs. So even for my first job and even for the second job also, they have supported me entirely to the process.
ஓகே ஃபைன். ஸோ ஹவ் வாஸ் தி இண்டஸ்ட்ரி கனெக்ட் வித் பிரயோஜனா? ஸோ எவ்வளவு கம்பெனிஸ் பிரயோஜனா கூட கனெக்டடா இருக்குது, அதை பத்தி பேச முடியுமா?
Actually, almost training the trainers who are coming from the most various companies only here. We are getting the trainings from the industrial experts only from the different companies only. We are not like that. They are all the
So here you have plenty of opportunities.
yeah.
Fine. So what about CMTI app and all? How did that help you?
Yeah, it helps very lot. When we have missed the classes also, we can able to access with the CMTI app. To that, if we miss also, we can listen to that. Can use anytime in the app.
Okay, Praveen. So how was the interview preparation and all?
They have given the, even for that also they have trained for us. Even they will give the mock interviews also here itself to prepare ourselves. By using that, we can get easily placed to the companies.
So thank you for your feedback. And finally, what do you want to say to your friends and juniors?
We can get to know about all the practical knowledge here instead of where college will not teach about this. We can get the practical knowledge. We can visit the sites here. We can learn more things when compared to colleges. It is exactly totally different from the college. What college doesn't teach us that will be taught in the CMT.
So I hope you are happy with your placements.
Yes.
Fine. Thank you, Praveen. Thank you so much. And all the best for your future. And congratulations for your placements.
Thank you.
Thank you, Praveen.